Interpreting the technical specifications for the KEB CombiVert Access Drive. 10.F5.C1B-3A0A. It has a housing category of B. It has an protection rating of IP21. It has a storage temperature range of -25 to 70 degrees Celsius. It has an operational temperature range of -10 to 45 degrees Celsius. It features both short-circuit and earth fault monitoring. This is a 3-phase access drive. It has a voltage range of 305 to 528 volts. It has an EMC rating of C1. It has a nominal current, in, of 5.8 amps. It has a max current, Imax, of 12.5 amps. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all CombiVert access drive sales and replacements.